Do you always remember your rights? Then this video is for you. In Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's grand scheme of affairs, we always and always focus on our rights. Yes, rights as a woman, rights as a man, rights as a husband, rights as a wife. But do we actually fulfill Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's rights as a creator? Do we actually follow him? Do we submit to him as our creator? Not really. We need to remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala repeatedly reminds us in Quran to actually fulfill his rights of submission and complete unconditional obedience to his commands as our creator. We don't do that. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala repeatedly also reminds us to remember that we have to be mindful of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We must be mindful of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and every soul should remember what they're sending ahead of them. If we don't do that, then we don't have to worry about our rights, and we don't have to chant about those rights, because we are not fulfilling the rights of the very creator who actually gave us life in this dunya. And he has given us commands. If we actually knew his rights and we actually were mindful of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will always remember and protect each other's rights as human beings. Remember that, and then talk about rights over responsibility.